All you have to do is put one phrase in this box, save it, and click Make, and you'll be paid $30. You can do it over and over again and make money every day from anywhere in the globe. But you must first set it up correctly, which I will show you how to do in this video. You don't have to pay anything to join this website, and you don't need to have any special writing talents. In fact, you can just copy and paste that one word if you don't want to type it yourself. So this is the primary platform we'll be using. This is the website where you can come and make simple videos with just one word, and this website will turn them into professional, high-quality videos for you. And I'll show you how to get paid $25 to $30 per video you make. As you can see, this is the simplest way to create amazing videos. And don't worry, you don't need to be a professional editor to create it. You don't need any editing skills. You don't need a camera. You won't have to record anything, and you won't have to reveal your face. You only need to type one word, which you may repeat as many times as you like, and I'll show you how it works and how to get paid. So, pick your favorite video template online, fully customize it, and watch them make your video instantaneously. You won't have to wait long, and you'll be able to start making money right away. It doesn't get any easier than this. It's just one word that you can repeat over and over. But for now, don't go straight to the website since you won't know how to use it properly to get money just by entering one single word. Instead, follow each and every step in this video and you'll know precisely what to do and how to make money at the end of it. So first and foremost, let's go to this website. I want you to click on the Get Started button right here so you can sign up. You may do so by connecting your Facebook or Google account, which is much easier and faster because of the question. If you don't want to do that, you can manually sign up using your email address and enter your information. I also recommend unchecking this box if you don't want to be added to their email list, which can be rather boring at times. After that, you can easily join up on the website in less than 60 seconds, which will allow you to browse all of these different templates that you can use to make professional-looking videos in less than 60 seconds by simply typing one word. So you can see on the left-hand side that you can make all of these different types of videos in all of these different categories, as well as commercials and animated videos. You can also make videos for businesses, e-commerce videos, Facebook videos, food and restaurant videos, games, infographics, Instagram videos, and YouTube intros and outros, and you have access to a variety of themes to choose from. They're three-dimensional, high-quality templates that you can easily use, and I'll show you how. Now, there is one specific service that I will be focusing on, and it will allow you to earn $25 to $30 for every single word you type. So what I want to do is either focus on intros or outros. Forget about all of these different categories for the time being and concentrate on intros and outros because they are the easiest and will allow you to earn $30 or more for a single phrase. So let's choose intro templates and it'll present you with a few options to choose from. Let's have a look around and see what we can find. I'll use this one just to show you how it works. I'll click on it, and to customize it, all I have to do is click on Edit on this video. So once we get to this page, all I have to do is click on this box, and I can type that one word in there, and I'll show you what it is, but let's say the word is cash flow. All I have to do now is type in cash flow, save, and exit. Now they will instantly generate that video for me. And I'm going to show you how to sell those types of videos for $25 to $30 over and over again, as well as proof that it works because people are already making money with the same strategy every day. So here we are in the dashboard, and you can see that my videos have already been rendered and are waiting for me to download. So let's go over the templates again. This time, going to intros or outros. You'll discover various templates that you'll appreciate, so simply open it up, click Edit this video, which will take you to the editing page where you can even add a logo if you want to, or just go straight to the text page. Click on the text box, type in that one single word, save and make video, and that's all there is to it. So the link to the tool we were utilizing was motionden.com. That's all there is to it. You can now earn money from an additional platform that I'm about to reveal. To begin, go to quickandgigs.com and create an account. This is a platform that is quite similar to Fiverr, and if you don't already know, Quick and Gigs is a freelancing website where millions of people visit every day to market their skills. You have regular people like me and you provide services for other entrepreneurs and business owners. You can see that they've partnered with some major companies like PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Discord, Facebook, and Unity. And this is just one of the many different freelancing websites you can use. The reason I'm sharing Quick and Gigs rather than Fiverr is because this isn't a competitive website like Fiverr. Hundreds or thousands of individuals are waiting for the same service on Fiverr. However, there aren't many people giving those services here, but demand is enormous. There are many customers but few sellers, making it ideal for total beginners. It means that you may join this website right away and potentially make a lot of money without being an established vendor. And you can find people who provide these services by searching for intro and outro on this website. Although there aren't many people who supply this service, those that do are already making money. That'll only take one single word to write in with Motion, and you'll be able to sell it on Quick and Gigs. You can also utilize websites like peopleperhour.com. Here, if you type with intro, you'll see more people giving the service and they're all generating sales. Hundreds, if not thousands of sales. You can even use Fiverr if you want to maximize your results. I mean, it costs you nothing to publish. If you get some sales, that's great. If not, you can still use other freelancing websites. Fiverr does have a lot of potential. You can see that people are selling those types of services for more money, like $35 and $45. They have even higher packages and they're getting hundreds, if not thousands of sales, so it does. The problem is that competition is extremely high, so I strongly advise you to try all of the different freelancing websites rather than focusing on just one. And once you get a sale, simply type in this box, which they will tell you which words they want to put inside of this box. Click Save and Exit, and then go straight to Dashboard where you can see what you've written. Now, to get it without the watermarks, you'd have to pay around $14, so it's $14 per video. But if you sell it for $35 or $40, you're still making a lot of money and you don't have to invest any money up front because you can wait until you make a sale on those freelancing websites and then use that money to pay $14 to Motion Death. So you get a video for $14, it takes less than 60 seconds to make over $30, and you can do it again and again. Once you start making more and more sales and see that you're already making a decent monthly income, you can upgrade to the unlimited plan for $29 a month, which allows you to sell an unlimited amount of video. So you might be able to sell 100 films per month while only paying $29 to have Motion Down perform all the work for you. So you can surely use Motion's templates to create professional videos by simply typing one word into the box and then offering that service, as well as other freelancing websites like freelancer.com, trulyanswer.com, fiverr.com, guru.com,